While the government is providing resources, equipment and coordination, the national cleanup effort cannot succeed without the full participation of our citizens. Every Jamaican, schools, businesses, community groups, church groups, service clubs and private households must join in this campaign to clean up our space. A cleaner Jamaica is not only aesthetically pleasing, it is safer, healthier, more resilient and more attractive for investment and tourism. The cleanup we begin today contributes directly to our economic recovery, our public health and our national pride. Given the scale of the debris, this will take time. Initial operations are projected for 2 to 4 fortnights, after which we will conduct an assessment and expand interventions as required. So technically, we could go under the special national cleanup program for a month to 2 months just to do cleanup. After that, then we will reassess. Members of Parliament and councillors in targeted areas will receive detailed instructions and guidelines. So letters confirming the allocations will be sent out by the latest Friday of this week. You will probably get them late tomorrow into early Thursday. And for the constituencies that are specifically targeted, those 16 in addition to areas in other constituencies, you will also get your letters explaining how you will participate in the program, how you will be able to recommend persons to work, the assignment of the SDC officers, all those details that will ensure that you are effective in the mobilization towards our national cleanup.